Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes. And our today's grammar is about can. Grammar امروز ما درباره can هست. حاضر اول در جملات مثبت میخوانیمش. Can expresses ability. Can توانایی را نشان می‌دهد یا بیان می‌کند. He can fix the car. او می‌تواند که موتر را ترمیم کند. He can play cricket. He can sing. They can finish it tomorrow. They can change the plan. It can run fast. Can negative. حالا استفاده can در جملات منفی. He cannot or can't fix the car. او نمیتونه که موتر را ترمیم کنه. شما میتونید بگویید cannot یا حالت مختصرش can't. He cannot play cricket. He cannot sing. They cannot finish it tomorrow. They cannot change the plan. It cannot run fast. And now, can in questions. استفاده can در جملات پرسشی. Can he fix the car? آیا او میتونه که موتر را ترمیم کنه؟ Can he play football? Can she cook? Can we pass the test? Can it run fast? Can you speak English? Can I call you? This brings us to the end of our today's session. ولی دانش آموزان عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین ضمیمه ویدیو شده که بعد از تماشای ویدیو باید انجامش دهید. Thank you and goodbye.